at your screen, you're going to press it against the side bumpers and the bottom, all 3 gray bumpers, and tilt back slowly. You're going to hold it in place with your right hand. Your left hand, you're going to press down where you put all 4 pieces of tape. Nice and firm pressure. Then lift. Yep. Then get the carrier sheet. Remove it. Pop it. No, the carrier sheet. See the 2 pegs on the top? Yes. If you want to pop it off of those. It's kind of hard to say it's a clear sheet. And then hold the carrier sheet and the film together. And you're going to take it, bring it over, and put it into the exposing unit.